Hello everyone, my name is Ratnapriya Bhatt and I am an intern with the Sparks Foundation under the GRIP Jan 21 program. Under Data Science and Business Analytics field, I have done the task 1, which was to predict the score of a person based on the hours studied by that person, as it involves only 2 variables. Now let's just see what was the task exactly. Just a second. Yeah, here it is. Basically, the task was to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of hours studied by that person. So this is just a simple linear regression task as it involves just 2 variables, although it's already mentioned, but we'll explore in the upcoming code file that how is it exactly linear regression task. At the end of this, a question has been asked that what will be the predicted score if a person studies for 9.25 hours per day. Let us just explore the code file. Here is my code file. I have imported multiple libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, sklearn model selection, sklearn linear model that I am using linear regression right now, or metrics also for calculating various types of errors. So here what I am doing is I just run it. Now all the libraries have been imported. Here what I am trying to do is, since I am using Google Colab, so I am using this to basically upload the file, the CSV file that I am having on my system. Just a minute. Here is my file, that is this. Yeah. Now I am just uploading it. Now it's uploaded. Now I'm going to take this file into a data frame. Let's just see how it looks like. It looks like this. It has hours and scores based on that. So let's just describe the data a bit to explore that what is the distribution of the data. Basically it has 25 rows and what is its mean? All this is mentioned in the description. Okay, now let's move forward. What I am doing is I am going to take a variable x in which I have taken the number of hours studied by a student, and y I have taken the scores, because I am going to predict the scores. So just to give it a good notation, I have used these x and y. Now I am going to just plot the data to visualize what is actually happening. So I have used the pair plot from the Seaborn library. What it does is it's basically plotting the scatter plot as well as bar plot between the various features that it has. As of now, it has only 2, that is scores and hours. It has plotted scores and hours, a scatter plot between the 2, a bar plot between the 2, and to reverse, and it has also reversed the features and plotted the same thing. As of now, if we look at these, both looks like a linear distribution, right? So nextly, I have done, as my task was to predict the number of that marks which a student is getting, so I have just done a basic scatter plot. Out of all these, I just selected one, that is this, a scatter plot between the number of hours studied by the student and the percentage. And also, let me just keep running all these. Yeah. So now we are going to calculate the correlation. I'll show you how it looks. Just a second. I have calculated the correlation, and to represent it better, I have used the heat map. So if we just see the correlation between the number of hours studies and the core, and the scores are 0.98, that means it's highly correlated. And to see, if you want to see it number wise, it's this. The correlation between the number of hours and the score is 0.9761 or 0.98 to see. I have used this parameter and not is equals to true, just to show these. And what it does is it basically rounds off to up to 2 decimal places. That's why it's looking like this. Now let's just split the data set. I have split the data set in the proportion of 20 to 80%. That is 20% of the data is used in the testing purpose and 80% is used for training purpose. Now I'll import the linear regression module. Here it is. It's done. I have fitted my data into the model. Now I'm going to predict it. Now I'm going to predict the test file. Right. Now let us just compare that what it has actually predicted and actual values. So here it is, the actual value and the predicted. So they are pretty close. Since it does not give us a very good overview, let us calculate what is the error that we are getting in this. So the mean squared error is 21.5987. It's fine, it's pretty good. Now let's just plot that what kind of line we have got that fits our data. So what we have done is, linear regression model has two attributes, that is coefficient and intercepts. That was present, that we have seen that y is equals to mx m star x plus c. Since this is the equation, so here as we know that what is this m is the slope that we are using as the coefficient, and c is the intercept, y-intercept, that is this, right? So we have plotted this. The line that fits this data is looking like this. Now, as asked in the question, that if a person studies for 9.2 hours per day, what would be the score that he or she will be getting? So if according to my model, if the person studies for 9.25 hours per day, he or she is predicted to get a marks of 93.69. that is. So thank you so much. This is the task done by me. Thank you so much.